In this video, I'm going to show you how to go into creative mode in Minecraft. I'm going to show you two ways to do this. First one is using commands, and the second one is using the F3 and F4 key. Before we start anything and start putting in any commands, we have to first allow ourselves to even enter commands. So pressing the escape key, go to open to LAN, make sure this is set to creative, allow cheats, allow commands is on, and click on start LAN world. That will enable our cheats and the command. So open up your chat, type in slash game mode space and type in creative, enter, and you see we're now in creative. So go back into survival, again open up your chat, type in slash game mode space survival, click enter, and we're back in survival. Now you can also do this by holding down the F3 key on your keyboard and then pressing F4. Now we're in creative mode, just like that. We're in creative, and if I press F3 again and F4 again, you can see we can cycle through adventure mode, spectator mode, creative mode, and survival mode. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.